In this video, I'll show you how to create admins for your Sylius shop. First, we've started going to the administrators category. Here you can see that there are already existing admins for your shop. Now we create a new one. We start by filling the username and an email. Then we add the first name and the last name, which are not mandatory. And we'll finish by adding the avatar. Here we can pick the language preference of the admin, and we can finish by adding a password. If we select this option, it will enable an admin on our shop already. We'll finish by creating it. See? Our admin is already up and running on our shop. In the next episode, I'll show you how to create and add permissions to our admins while using Sylius Plus module called Airbag. Thank you.